Welcome to An American Accent. This is the 5th video in which I group irregular verbs, especially the simple past and the past participle, by the vowel sound. And this one is the rose vowel, or a long O. Now the color rose has an O in it, which is why we call it that. It's a little easier than talking about short and long O, etc. And this is in reference to the Color Vowel Chart by Taylor and Thompson. And I have a link in the description to that, and also to other videos of mine where I explain the Color Vowel Chart a bit better. So here we have a couple of groups where the simple past and past participle both have the rose vowel in it. This is a hard sound. Most people just say "oh," but it's or "oh," but it's "oh." So we have base form in the first group with gray vowel and then rose, rose. So we have awake, awoke, awoken, break, broke, broken, wake, woke, woken. The second group has the base form with the long E, which is really high up, and you can almost feel vibration because your tongue is so close to the roof of your mouth, far in the front. So we can call this the green vowel because in green we have that E vowel that ends with a little Y. And so we have freeze, froze, frozen, as in frozen food, frozen vegetables, frozen dinners, frozen yogurt. And then we got speak, spoke, spoken, and steal, stole, stolen. And here only the simple past is with the rose vowel. The base form is with the white vowel, which is a long I. And the simple participle is with the silver vowel, which is the I, as in silver. So we have arise, arose, arisen, drive, drove, driven, ride, rode, ridden, rise, rose, risen, write, wrote, written. Here we have, with the rose vowel, read as the base form, sell, sold, sold, tell, told, told, choose, chose, chosen, show, showed, shown. Hope this helps. If you enjoy the video and learn from it, please like and subscribe. See you next time.